Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Just real quick update, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just moving sideways, Bitcoin holding just above our 25% retracement level. And this slightly upward facing horizontal, but I'm going to just call it a horizontal channel with key resistance coming in about 51.50, key support coming in about 50.50. So it's trading in that $100 range, 51.50 to 50.50. Breakout above 51.50, we'd be watching for a return to the cluster area, especially the 52.99, so 5,300, but 52.72 to 52.99 are the official levels. Then above that, we'd watch for the close to returning to the candle bodies. Sorry about that. But remember, you can always, especially once we start breaking out, you can always start doing your GAN levels. Like if you want minor levels now, you could come from this key low to the key high in here. I mean, these are really tight, so they're very scalpy levels, which give you 51.90 and 52.17. But as we break out, then you're going to and start pulling back a bit, then you'll update those levels and find out where the clusters are and help fine tune any move to the upside. Also, again, if we break to the downside, you can do the same thing. So if we break below that 50.50 level, we're watching for a return to about 49.50 right here to spike low, and then the next major area is of 48.40. But as we break down, you can also come with a reverse GAN box and do it that way. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart, see, holding right at the rotation zone right now. So if we did close below that 50.50 level, then I'd watch really for that 48.40 level as the major level where the bottom of the rotation zone is. And if we snap below that, then 46.24 where the flattening out 200 is, and the 50% retracement. Switching over to Ethereum, pretty much the same story. Although this is pulled back to 37.5% retracement, actually a little below it, holding right on it right now. Key support, you can see there's a lot of buying every time it dips below this 163.80 area. It's gone down to as much low, about 160.20, but anytime it goes down below this 163, it's starting to attract some buyers. So if we do get a key close, I'll call it below about 163.50. Then we'll start watching for the lower levels. First test would be 160.20. Then we'd be watching for the 156.93, or essentially 157. The upside key resistance right now, 166.60. I'll be watching if we get a really above about 167, especially on a closing basis. Then we'll watch for a return to 172. And then we can also do the GAN projections up. And then the next is this breakdown level coming in about 175. Let's switch over to the daily chart on Ethereum also. So you can see it's broken below the rotation zone, but still holding at the bottom. So if we do, it's really, I'd actually adjust that level down. If we get a key close or an extended move below about 160.60, then I'd start watching for the 157 area. The next area below that would be about 151.50. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.